You have much to learn, my old Padawan. This is just the beginning.